everybody, this is Samantha and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know yet or if you are new here, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I upload new videos. You can also show your support by liking, sharing, and commenting to my videos. That's it! Without further ado, let's get started. Here's my new video and enjoy watching guys and I hope you like it.
Thank you, Bursway. Thank you for the gift. Malapit lang ba yung pupuntahan nyo, Leroy? Dan, shout out. Weven Flores, hello. Celis Danger Echo. Ano yun? Hello mom, you're so pretty and funny. Manifesting mabuntis ka next. Hi Jose. Sana nga. James, shout out. So pag may manifest mo lang yan dyan. Hello Jonathan. Hello, Enzo. Tapos ang Shopee, viewers. Tapos na pag-Shopee mo? Hello from Switzerland. John Mark Anthony. Jose, shout out. Ingat, Leroy. Ingat kayo guys. Please stop and share my live stream, guys. Late yata pagla-live ko or masyadong maaga ngayon eh. Kahapon kasi medyo late, alas 12. Hi, Adverse. Lagyan mo ng Edward, lagyan mo ng Mighty Band para mawala yung sakit ng ulo mo. Hi, Cakes. Lagyan mo ng mighty band tapos lagyan mo ng tissue tsaka bulak. Tuwa ka na, napansin ka na dyan. Joke yun. Hi, Izuri.